Hi guys, this is Vishalar from DrapCode. So in this video, we will understand how to use DrapCode AI. So we recently released like DrapCode Copilot, where you can actually build a lot of things using AI in DrapCode, and let's see how that can be done. So in this video, we'll understand how to create a page or create some design or some UI using prompt, right? So you can just give the what exactly you want to do, and AI will do it for you, right? So let's see how that can be done. So the very first thing we need to do, we need to go and give the AI settings. So here we have a section. So we'll go to app settings. So here we have a section where we say which AI LLM which you want to use. So we have like a lot of AI model support. Like you can use OpenAI, you can use Claude, you can use DeepSeek, and we are adding more as we speak. So in for this example, we'll use Claude, right? So we'll need the Claude API key. So what I'll do, so I go to my Anthropic and I'll just go and create a key, right? So let's say I give a key test key because you need to create that Anthropic key, right? So this is the key. I just copy it here. I'll just go and paste it here. Okay, so it is choosing the model. You can choose whichever model you want to use. Temperature, all these things, I keep it as default, and I'll just enable Claude AI, right? And update. So this way I have given the API key. So whatever AI I'm going to use, it will be getting used using my API key, right? So now let's go and just design some pages, right? So let's say I have a dashboard. Let's build it, or let's say draw some component, right? So let's say I don't need this. I just go and delete. I just delete everything. So I can design a full section, or I can design a part of a section. So I can do whatever I want to do. I'll just show you an example, right? So let's say I have this blank page. Now I go to my component and search for AI components. Okay. So one is image to UI, second is prompt to UI. So here we are talking about prompt to UI. So I just drag and drop here. So it is asking me which prompt, and it is also asking me which AI model. So as of now, we have only enabled Claude. So it is showing me Claude. So I say, and I just click generate, right? So very simple prompt. You can refine it. You can put it whatever you want. So here I've just created a very simple prompt where I am saying go and generate a loan management application dashboard and build the UI. Okay, so it has generated the content for me. It has left menu, some option, some stats, and then you can see actually the draft code understands it, right? So this is all created using AI, but at the same time, draft code is able to identify it. Now let's go and see how this looks. So what I'll do first, let's see if there's a permission on this page or not. I think it is only logged in user. So for now, I'll just make it public. Okay, so that we can see this. Now let's publish the changes and see. Right. So here is a very basic, nice looking loan application but dashboard, which you can actually start using as your starting point to build in DrapCode, right? So this is a very nice example. So let's say I need a header, right? So let's do again. I drop a component, same component from to UI. I drop it here, and I'll say, okay, I'll choose the model, Cloud AI, and I'll generate. Okay, so now it has basically generated a nav bar. So let's reload the page. So it has actually added a lot of padding margin, which you can obviously remove as you want. Okay, so let's see how this looks like. So it is a blue background. There's a lot of this padding. So let's see if we can remove this. So padding top 48 pixel I don't need. I'll make it 0. Padding right 0. Bottom 0. Left 0. Okay. Let's see if it is some margin. 0, 0, 0. Right. So this is something which we need to see. Now let's go and preview the changes. So as I publish that, and then we'll see how this looks like, right? So very nice looking nav bar, which has menu, submenu, customers, reports, and all these things. And these are all DrapCode is easily able to identify this for you. So let's say you don't need this option, you go and delete this. Let's say you need more options, you go and duplicate them. You want to change this and let us do something A, B, C. You want to remove some classes, so let's say it has some class, let's say with 100% padding 5, you want to remove it, you remove this class, right? So basically it is generating UI for you which DrapCode understands, and then you can modify it, change it as you want, right? Now we have done some changes. Let's go how these changes looks like. So here the padding is gone and it has these options which we added. Now you can link them to other pages, you can generate new pages, and then you can basically build a full-fledged UI for your application using just AI. You don't have to do any custom coding, or you don't have to drag and drop an individual component, and you can refine it as you need. So we are adding a lot more capabilities where you can change something, you can build collection, build events, connect to a page, everything with just command prompts. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.